In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Notion from opening on startup in Windows. By the end of this tutorial, Notion will only open when you want it to, instead of automatically every time you turn on your computer. Let's start from your main Windows desktop screen. Look at the bar along the very bottom of your screen, where you can see icons like your browser and any open folders. This bar is called the taskbar. Move your mouse down to an empty area on that taskbar, somewhere that doesn't have any icons or open programs, and right-click there. When you right-click, a small menu will pop up. From that menu, you want to open Task Manager. On newer versions of Windows, you may see it listed directly as Task Manager. If you don't see it right away, you might see an option like Task Manager after clicking More Options. Go ahead and click on Task Manager and a new window will open. Once Task Manager opens, you'll see a list of apps and processes. If your Task Manager looks very simple, with only a short list, look for an option like More Details at the bottom and click it. This will expand Task Manager and show more tabs at the top. At the top of the Task Manager window, click on the tab labeled Startup. This tab controls which programs are allowed to run automatically when Windows starts. After you click Startup, you'll see a list of all the apps that can launch on Startup, along with their status. Now, scroll through this list and look for Notion. The entries are usually sorted alphabetically, which should make it easier to find. Once you've found Notion in the list, move your mouse over it and right-click on it. A small menu will appear. In that menu, click on Disable. When you do this, you should see the status for Notion change from enabled to disabled in the list. That's how you know it worked. Disabling it here does not uninstall Notion or remove any of your notes. It simply prevents the app from automatically opening when your computer starts. From now on, Notion will stay closed at startup, and you can open it manually whenever you actually need it. If you ever change your mind, you can come back to the same startup tab in Task Manager, right-click Notion again, and choose Enable to turn the automatic startup back on.